what is the value of I to the power 25? So we know I stands for imaginary number. So when we talk about I, the value for I is square root of -1. Okay, so when you square -1, the answer is what? I. Do you see that? So then what will be I square? So I square will be square root of -1 all squared, which is going to give you -1 because the square cancels the square root. You see that? Good. So then what will be the value for I to the power 4? So we know I to the power 4 is the same as I square all squared. And I square here is -1, right? So we can say it is equal to -1 squared. So therefore we can say I to the power 4 is equal to 1 because -1 squared is 1. So we are going to have I to the power 25 as, now let's write it this way, I to the power 24 plus 1. Now you're going to understand the reason why we are doing it like this soon. Okay, so applying the laws of indices, you know, I to the power 24 plus 1 becomes I to the power 24 times I to the power 1, which is the same as I. Okay, because when they are multiplying and the base are the same, what do? You add the exponent. Great. So then what happens? Now we have to express this I to the power 24 in the form I to the power 4. So we want to get something like I to the power 4 so that we can replace the one with 1 over here. Good. So this is what happens. We are going to have, now I to the power 24 can be written as, 4 times 6 is what? 24. So we are going to have 4.6 because we know 4 times 6 is 24, all times I. So then we are going to have I to the power 4 all raised to the power 6 times I. So then I to the power 4, we've already resolved that I to the power 4 is 1. So in place of this, we are going to put 1. So that's going to be 1 raised to the power 6 times I. And 1 to the power 6 is 1. So that's going to be 1 times I. And that's going to be I. So the value for I to the power 25 is I.